Eggs Explained Through Real Experience. This title is not hype. It reflects what I notice step by step. Start understanding daily eggs today. My relationship with eggs was confusing. Some days praised, other days blamed, so I avoided them for years. Then life got busy, simple meals mattered, and eggs returned to my plate. Not as a trend, but as a habit. After weeks, small changes appeared: steady energy, better focus, less snacking. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH), eggs are a nutrient-dense food, rich in protein, choline, and essential micronutrients. That explanation helped me relax. This was not about extremes, it was about consistency. My previous habits created gaps: low protein mornings, sugar spikes, late hunger. Eggs quietly fixed that. Simplified science. Eggs provide complete protein, all essential amino acids. Protein slows digestion and stabilizes blood glucose. Stable glucose means stable energy and fewer cravings. Choline supports liver function and brain signaling. NIH publications link choline intake to metabolic and cognitive support. This explained the mental clarity. Cholesterol fear confused me before. Mayo Clinic explains, dietary cholesterol has limited impact on blood cholesterol for most people. The context matters. Eggs eaten with whole foods behave differently than eggs with refined carbs. My practical approach: 1 to 2 eggs daily, mostly at breakfast, paired with vegetables and healthy fats. This combination slowed absorption and improved satiety. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition associate egg breakfasts with reduced calorie intake later. The yolk mattered. Most nutrients live there. Removing it removed the benefits. What surprised me was what made eggs problematic: eating them with sugary bread, processed meats, or late at night. This caused heaviness, not benefit. Important clarification: response varies by health. Some people with conditions may need limits. Moderation always matters. Short safety reminder: consult a doctor if unsure. Possible side effects: digestive discomfort. If overconsumed, adjust quantity, not eliminate. How I tracked progress: morning energy, hunger timing, focus levels, weekly awareness, not daily obsession. Results felt fast, but built gradually. This habit taught me simplicity. Not superfoods, but smart basics. Final message: eggs support balance when used wisely. If this helped you, interact with the video naturally, like, comment, and stay curious.